Hi, good evening. It was a wonderful experience which I got from Inspira. Thanking God for all your support and the which what when during our difficulties through the field of IELTS, that steps. So all this they gave us a good idea, and also we came across through the expert trainers, and they gave us well, and also gave us a good opportunity to practice. And also that more appreciable about them is the time flexibility. So because we are on our hectic field, it is help us to get a time whatever whichever we used to.